When you're coming to a doctor because of snoring and obstructive sleep apnea, you're usually pretty apprehensive about what your treatment might be.
The patients that I was seeing were very frustrated with their treatment options. And what I decided to do was try to put all those treatment options in one place. What we do at EOS is try to ensure that patients are properly diagnosed and, more importantly, properly treated, and continue to follow them through their treatment to ensure that their long-term wellness and health is provided for.
When I interact with the patients and they're happy, when I see their expressions telling me that, wow, I'm finally cured.
Now I can go to sleep 7 hours solid, wake up happy.
I learned quite fast that that is normal. That is how normal people breathe. So my life has changed radically.